Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to author and approve Microsoft PowerPoint-based report package doclets in SmartView. Doclet authors follow this workflow in SmartView. Check out the doclet, update the doclet, upload the doclet back to the report package, check the doclet back in, and submit the doclet for approval. Let's see what that workflow looks like. I'm logged in as a doclet author. Notice that the SmartView panel shows performance reporting notifications for incomplete tasks, active report packages, and recent items, and includes a link to the library. I'll select the incomplete tasks list. I can click on a task in the list to see the task information. Notice that links to the related report package and doclet are displayed in the Links section. If no update is required, I can click Submit to submit the doclet for approval without looking at it. I'll click the report package link to see all the report package doclets that I've been granted access to in the SmartView panel. I can also see the user who is actively responsible for the doclet. Next, I'll double-click to open a doclet and check it out. This step ensures that I'm the only user who can make changes to the doclet. Notice that the doclet icon becomes a lock to indicate the checkout. If you don't want to save your changes, you can cancel doclet checkouts. I'll update this financial analysis with segment data. Next, I upload the doclet back to the report package. The Upload dialog box shows that the slide masters in the doclet match the stored slide masters for the report package. See our separate tutorial for more information on using slide masters in PowerPoint report packages. Uploading the doclet saves your working copy back to the server, but doesn't let other users see your changes. You can come back to it later and make further changes, or you can check it in. I'll check the doclet back in. After the doclet is checked in, other users can see my updates and can check it out to make updates of their own. Let's say the doclet is ready to submit for approval. Notice that the doclet icon has changed and the responsible user has changed. The next part of the doclet's workflow is the approval process. The doclet approver receives a notification in Enterprise Performance Reporting that doclets are ready for her to approve. If email notifications are configured, she also receives a notification email. When I log into SmartView as the approver, I open the report package and see that the Revenue Analysis doclet is now my responsibility. I'll open the doclet. Approvers can perform the same tasks as the doclet author, including checking out, updating, uploading, and checking in. Approvers can reject doclets to send the workflow back to the authors. Notice that the doclet icon and responsible user changes. I'll approve this doclet. After a doclet is approved, authors and approvers can't check it out, but they can still download and inspect it. In this tutorial, you learned how to author and approve PowerPoint-based doclets in SmartView. To learn more, visit cloud.oracle.com.